Hola! And oh my god, I've just seen this one. Look at these. Stargazer. Love that. Turn it upside down and oh, the sparkles. Look at this bag. It's got my initial K on it and it's sparkly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Kirsty Lowe, and in today's video we're going to be going makeup shopping in the world's largest Primark here in Birmingham. I'm going to be shopping for makeup, beauty, skincare, all my favourite things. But before we go shopping, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And without further ado, let's go shopping for makeup and beauty. Woohoo! So here we are, the world's largest Primark. Let's go in. This is the beauty in Primark. Let's see what they've got. So this is a foundation brush. Wow, and it's only £3. This one's a smoky eye brush set, and this is £3.50. And then they've got foundations. This one is the Radiant Matte Foundation, and it's a medium buildable coverage. And I am loving this mirror. Reveal your beauty. So my outfit of the day today, I look quite sporty. I have my All Saints leather bag. It's like a snake print, sporty top, and my hot pants. Look at these LED lights. It's like a Hollywood mirror. Hola! And then we've got more matte foundations. This one's probably more suitable for me. It's long wear matte finish and it's oil free. It's even got SPF 15 in there. And there's these flawless matte concealers. It's full coverage as well. And I've just seen these foundations. It's more of a natural foundation. It's a long wear natural luminous serum foundation. Check out all this. Got all these different colours. This one's just £1.50 for a French glossy set. And oh my god, I've just seen this one. Look at these. Stargazer. And it's just £2. Galaxy. Dazzle. Bright colours. Perfect for summer. And oh my god, these are my favourites. Look at these eyelashes. And these are new actually. I don't think I've seen them before. These are £5. And they're 3D silk lashes. And this one's in baby doll. Oh, these are new as well. Sosu Lavish Lash Collection. £6. And that's called Popular. Girls with Attitude, £3. Wow, there's just so many. Love it. I usually have the one that's called Dubai. I've got these ones on right now. I love these. And these are just £5. You cannot go wrong with these. You get so much wear from these. Look at this bag. It's got my initial K on it and it's sparkly. Love it. And there's like a few more other bags inside as well, and it is, how much is this? £8 for this. I am so buying this. I could take this away on holiday with me, put all my toiletries or makeup in here. Oh, what's this? We have an eyelash applicator. So if you are struggling to apply your eyelashes, this will be great for you. It's like tweezers, but it's in a shape of an eyelash, so it'll help you apply your eyelashes. Just £2. A makeup brush roll. And there's a roll up in a purple holographic, and that's what it looks like. Oh, I like that. Makeup wipes, just £1. Gonna grab myself a few of those. And we've got beauty blenders as well here. Makeup blender sponges, just £2. So these are dupes for the actual beauty blenders. Look at that. That is so extra, and it's a £3.50. Cooling eye gel pads, just £2. So glitzy, it's like glitzy pineapples. Body oils, £3. They've just got natural oils and sweet almond oil. I think there's a theme going on here. There's a lot of pineapples. Oh, there's some more pineapples. This one's a compact mirror and it's £2. I like this set here. Purpley gold brush set. Sparkly nail filers. They're just £1.50 for like a pack of 2, 3. Eyeshadow brush set. Look what it does. Turn it upside down and oh, the sparkles come down. Love it. Check out this Hollywood style mirror. It's £15. Illuminated bulb mirror. Wow, look at these lip kits that they've got. So this one's the pink edit, and it's got 4 different types of shades of pink, and it's £4. And then the cocoa edit, different shades of chocolate, cocoa, compact mirror as well, normal and then magnified. I love the gold effect on the front as well. And then we've got these beauty blender sponges, and oh my god, you get 15 blender sponges in this bag. It's only £8. Trending now in the beauty section, we have these unicorn type sequin makeup bags, really sparkly. And then travel essentials kit, you have to have this going away on holiday, and this is £7. Has a bag with loads of dispensers, pumps inside to pop your products in. Gel eye mask again. So it has like a gel inside there just to like soothe your eye. You could even pop that in the fridge as well. Paddle hairbrush, more avocados, shower caps, makeup bags. Wow, there's so many. Oh yeah, that one's for me. I love that one, initial K. I love this one, it's bikini bag. Obviously for your bikinis. And it is £2. And we have a vacay bag. Now who remembers the film Clueless? They've got a whole range of Clueless products. It's so funny. Look at that dog, it says current mood. It's a compact little brush here. As if. Wow, look at this. It has a pink pom-pom. And on the back, current mood. Yeah, that's me when I'm on holiday. Love that. Minnie Mouse is back. We have a hand cream, a lip balm with a lip scrub, £4. A nice little gift set this is. Light up vanity mirror, and this is £15. Holla! See me in the mirror again. Love that. I love these vanity style mirrors. We have some more Disney products here. Oh, I love that. Disney Princess paddle brush, £3.50. Look at that tiara crown at the top. So glitzy. This is makeup remover pads. And this is £2.50 from Minnie Mouse. We have Winnie the Pooh. He's in the house. And we have these. I've seen so many of these around, but I've never used one before. These are facial rollers. Wow, and check out this. You can print your own mask to match your outfit. Look at these. These are so cute, these lip balms. We have Jolly Rancher. It's a key ring as well. Clip me to your keys, and it's £2.50. You got it in pink and the blue. Oh, I love this one, sprinkled donuts. It's a jelly belly. £2.50. And we've got Coca-Cola lip balm. Oh, look at that. Chocolate feast. You can flip it down. Oh, I love Cornetto's vanilla lip balm. Yummy. Hola. I love that. It's a gel pad eye mask. Wow, look at this. I used to love wearing these when I was a kid. It's like stick-on stickers. Bath bombs. Awesome bath bombs. This is a surprise bag. Oh, I wonder what you get in here. So cute. Disney Winnie the Pooh body lotion, and it's in honey. This just caught my eye. We've got niacinamide. 10% niacinamide, and it's a booster serum. £3.50. Hyaluronic acid. Another booster serum, 2% hyaluronic acid. It's toner, Prep and Perfect Daily Smoothing Tonic. Now this is the range for me. This is all for oily skin. So this one's the refining toner, clear and cool, and it's £2. And it's got tea tree and witch hazel in that. Cleansing face wash for oily skin as well. It's £2. Why are you so obsessed with me? This is a quote from the Mean Girls, and this is a illuminating face mask for £2. Look how many different types of face masks they've got. And oh, we've got this one. It's a pink clay mask, and it's only 80p. So this is the Primark Beauty Studio nail salon. Wow. They've even got a bar here. More seating area. It's like a catwalk. Hola. Wow. Look at all these mirrors. Hola. All these mirrors just make the whole place look so big, because it is big. Had so much fun shopping in Primark, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. And let me know down in the comments below where you want me to go shopping next. So yeah, I hope you all have an amazing day, whatever you're doing. And I shall see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!